The WeatherWeld process is designed to be simple for the facilities manager. So, for me and what it is that I do, I am the go-to person in the beginning. I send out communication, email. I get the phone calls from facility managers like you that are interested in a roof that's designed to last. So I get to walk you through what the initial stages are, which is to bring a tech out to look at your building so that we can write you a custom report with budget so that you have an idea of what the budget's going to be. And we help you then with the bidding process. We send you a custom bid package for all of your buildings. We are just there step by step in the process, from educating you to the point when there is an actual WeatherWeld roof on your building. And even after that, we still check in with you. We take care of you. We just want to make sure that you are satisfied. We put you first because at WeatherWeld, our roofs were designed with you in mind so that you don't have to deal with roof leaks and issues from manufacturers. We put you first, and that is part of the WeatherWeld process.